Hey everyone, this is Stephen Casey Railfan, and today I would like to show you guys I got some new things that are from Athearn that I ordered off of eBay. So as you can see, I have a few new things. They're all Athearn stuff. So the first stuff I want to show you guys are basically I have some new motors. So these are the Athearn radio roll motors. So basically this is the new packaging. So it's with the new logo. Looks really cool. So I got two motors because I got a couple of Athearn locomotives that are broken down and they need new motors. So I got a couple of those. So I got two of them here. You guys can look. See? They're pretty easy to put on, so I'll think about probably maybe doing like maybe a Will It Run video on one of my locomotives so I can get them back up and running again. So there's that. Here's the back side. You know, it's got all like the warning information and all that, age recommendation, stuff like that. And next up are some two new rolling stock. These were the two rolling stocks I originally saw at the Plains Hobbies back in my Chicago trip, and I was about to get them, but just didn't think about it because there were some other rolling stock I saw that interest me more, so I got those instead. But luckily, I was able to pick these up instead. So the first up I have is this one. This is the 50-foot chassis system boxcar. So it's a 50-foot FMC 5077 center double door boxcar. This is the chassis system. It looks really cool. It's a pretty cool car because I really love the chassis, and it always makes me think of my cat because I have a brown tabby right now, but she's currently just out somewhere in the house sleeping right now. But oh well. So there's that. You can see the detail. Really cool. Wow. Then you can see my reflection of the camera. There's that. And the next one is actually a car that really interests me more. Is this one right here. This is the NRDX coal train. This is a 57-foot mechanical reefer. So this reefer does not have sound, being ready to roll. Okay, so there it is. It's like in the sky blue, coal train, and all that. It's really cool. So anyways, I'll get these two out of the box so you can see what they look like outside the box. Alright, so here they are outside the box. So here we have is the chassis system. So here's what it looks like. So it looks very nice. So it's pretty, it doesn't have much detail. It's basically being a ready to run rolling stock. Pretty cool. And it's got some great detail, metal wheels, McHenry couplers, and all that. Great underframe detail. And because I heard that sometimes like the older ones, like the older box cars, usually the doors can sometimes open, but these ones are molded, so you can't open them. So I try, but they're all molded. So it's got good detail, the brake wheel, and all that. And the paint on it is nice and done too, with the chassis logo, and then that's the silhouette, the chassis the railroad kitten. And it's got the Chesapeake and Ohio reporting marks. Really nice. This is actually a pretty cool car. I like this a lot. So there it is. And next up, we'll go up to the reefer. So here's the reefer. It's pretty nice. It's painted like in the sky blue. It's got, you know, great details. It's got McHenry coupler right there. Lots of great underframe detail as well. And let me zoom in on one detail part. So right here, I believe this is the fuel tank. I believe what this does is that it uses the diesel fuel to power up the motors to help keep the products inside cool. Like, you know, it carries like, you know, like cold foods, including like, you know, frozen fruits, vegetables, or, you know, frozen microwavable like TV dinners or even ice cream, stuff like that. So it's to help keep the this car cool down, so that way when you transport it, then the cold food will be fresh and all that. So that will be ready to deliver to the stores by truck later on. So there it is. It's really cool. It's got lots of good details on this side. And let me just so you can let me look. And the see-through areas, the grills right here are not see-through. It's got some pretty nice, great detail. I love this logo up here, Coltrane. It says Cold Train on it, so it's pretty cool. So there's the truck. And yeah, as always, being ready to run, the bearing casts don't rotate, because the rotating bearing casts are normally on like usually like the highly detailed models like Genesis or like after Genesis and all that. So there's this side. Cool. And then, as always, looks really nice. So yeah, so pretty cool. So I'm really glad I got these two rolling stocks. So then I'm actually glad that this is actually the first rolling stock that came with the new Athearn Ready to Roll packaging, the blue with the yellow striping, because this is the ones that was, because you know this one actually replaced the ones with the older ones, like the blue and yellow old packaging, because I still have a couple of rolling stocks and I still have the boxes of those still around. So there's that, the white packaging, and then here's the new one. Let me just show you the backside of the new one, because it's pretty cool. So here it is. Here's the detail wise. It's basically got it's got a Sue and a CP Jeep on the end. I believe these are GP38-2s. It's really cool. I actually say they actually really outdid themselves with this new packaging. So yeah. So anyways, that's why I want to show you guys of this update. So basically, I got of the new rolling stocks, and as well as the new motors. So anyways, so I really look forward to having these two in future operating sessions in the future, and also we'll be looking forward to repairing some of my other locomotives. So that need new motors, because I think I have like 2 or 3, so I'll have to get another motor for my other one, because I only had time to buy only 2 of them. So yeah, so anyways, that's gonna do for this video. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Alright, have a good day everybody.